Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 18th chapter, that is the waste. In the last video, previous video, already we have discussed about the different types of waste like gaseous wastes and liquid wastes and solid wastes. But students, today we are going to discuss about that what is that especially solid wastes. Solid wastes already I explained to you, it is generated in homes, industries and also agricultural field. Okay, so in especially the domestic wastes also it is called as solid wastes. And one of that example, if you will take that our vegetable peels, flowers and waste flowers, dried leaves, different that whatever that solid we are using, just like vegetables, and another one what is that fruits, and if in agriculture cases you will see that dry leaves and what is the stick of that small plants, that all are waste things and these are the solid form. Okay, so these things, general polythene bags, plastic chair, toys, these are the also domestic wastes of solid wastes. So but these things generally classified again, that students two category or two types. Okay, one is biodegradable, another one is non-biodegradable substances or wastes. So biodegradable wastes, what is that? That means you know that biodegradable substances as a non-biodegradable substances. Biodegradable substances किसको बोलते हैं हमने ना, जो when that substances is decomposed by that bacteria like small microorganisms and it will decompose in the soil. Okay, it will mix in the soil. And if the substance cannot be broken down simpler form or cannot be decomposed by that bacteria, or it will be as usual it will stay, that is called as a what is that? Non-biodegradable substances. So that in cases of the waste things also same, like if the which wastes are decomposed or broken into simpler substances, and which due to that we won't be create that any pollution or any problems or poisonous, that is called as biodegradable substances. Okay, non-biodegradable substance क्या होता? Now the substances or the wastes which cannot be broken or form the simplest form or simpler form, that is called as a non-biodegradable substances like plastic, polythene bags, plastic chairs, iron nails, suppose iron utensils. Okay, same like different things are there, metal things are there, plastics are there. So these are the generally non-biodegradable what is that wastes. Okay, in your houses, what happen? Suppose you have purchased one toys, can you stay up to 10 years? Very difficult. Some students they cannot take, but within some students what 4 or 5 days after it will be broken and it will throw to the outside. So that one it cannot be decomposed by the bacteria or like that some other microorganisms. So such substances like plastic toys, plastic polythene bag, like that some things are there which are non-biodegradable substances or non-biodegradable wastes. So let us discuss about that. What is that solid, and especially what is that solid wastes, and what are the categories and how the examples, and what is that we will discuss in this video. So now look at here students, solid wastes. Solid waste generated in our homes is a domestic wastes, like examples like vegetable peels, fruit peels and plastic bags and metallic items. So vegetable peels means you know that suppose we are papaya we are removing, and if you will take that bottle guards we are removing that peels, and snake, so whatever that pumpkin or that we are removing that what peels. Same like fruit peels like orange, banana, and we are removing that what or pomegranate, we are removing that their peels. Then plastic bags also, you know that friends, there are so many like polythene bags and plastic bags, carry bags. These are made by that polythene which one we cannot decompose. These are the all are the solid wastes. And metal items also like aluminum with that our plates, our utensils, vessels. Okay, like iron with steel plates, iron tawa is there. Different are made by the utensils. All are made by that also some metallic items. These are all are waste things is called as a solid waste things. Now solid wastes are maybe two types. One is biodegradable waste and the second one is non-biodegradable waste. So what do you mean by biodegradable? Bio means life, friends. Bio means life. That means which degradable मतलब decompose. Degradable मतलब decompose. मतलब which one compose decompose हो रहे किसका साथ है? Life का साथ, मतलब बैक्टीरिया का साथ. और नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल मतलब नहीं हो रहे किसका साथ है? बैक्टीरिया का साथ नहीं हो रहे, मतलब डिकम्पोजर नहीं हो रहे, उसको बोलते हैं नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट. So let us discuss about that. What is that biodegradable waste? The substances those which undergo degradation or rot मतलब spoiling by the action of the decomposers found in soil and broken down at harmless or non-poisonous substances. What is that, students? If the substances undergo further degradation by that our microorganisms or rot by the microorganisms or bacteria or that other microorganisms, then it will be mixed with the soil, then that is called as a biodegradable wastage. Okay, so students, one take that one activities in your homes. Whenever mother will remove that peels of orange or that banana or that anything, if you have or vegetable wastage are there, that you have to collect one polythene bag inside and take your back of your houses, that means those are your garden like, and even general places from only 1 feet or something, that you just dig it that earth surface, and that peels whatever you have taken, you have brought with polythene, remove that peels and remove all that wastage from that polythene, and that you keep inside that that you have made that hole, and keep that some just sprinkle like it. Don't do that more just sprinkle like some sands also you keep, and just come out, and after 7 days or 6 days after, you should see what is that changeable. You will observe that, students, some substances totally completely mixing with the soil, and some substances totally as usual 7 days after all, you will see as usual. Okay, so which substances are totally mixed or decomposed in that soil or mixed with the soil, that is called as biodegradable substances or biodegradable wastes, and those substances could not form or did not decompose as usually it is staying now, that is called as a non-biodegradable wastes. So example, dead plants, animals, fruits, fruit peels and dry leaves, paper, etc. Broken down that the substances those which are undergo degradation or rot by the action of the decomposers found in the soil and broken down into the harmless or non-poisonous substances. So जब हमें उसको हम what will happen, decompose करते by our microorganisms like that bacteria or fungus or that other, means generally bacteria or it is decomposing, so that are microorganisms. So what happening, whenever they will decompose, then there should be one gas which will occur, that time you are getting that very odd smell because of that bacteria are decomposing that dead body. So at that time one bad smell will come. Okay, so generally these are the examples of that biodegradable substance: dead plants, animals, fruits and peels and dry leaves or paper, etc. Non biodegradable wastes क्या होता है बेटे? Now the substances are those wastes which cannot be broken down by the decomposer. That means we cannot break it small. By that microorganisms only it is possible. So if that microorganisms cannot break it into the simpler form or the smallest form of that substances, then it is called as a non-biodegradable substances. Suppose one polythene cover, we have the government give all that, given that instruction and given the awareness about that. Don't use that polythene, because whenever polythene using after, you are throwing that outside, because it is not it is non-biodegradable, means it cannot decompose by the bacteria or by other means. So that's why it is strictly prohibited to use that polythene cover. They do not easily or take a very long time to rot it. Sometimes if you keep that plastic or polythene, it cannot be, it won't be decomposed, but if it needs also, it will take that a long time. That means near about 10,000, 5,000, 7,000, 10,000 more. Means in long periods after it will decompose. Example of plastics, one very domestic sewage is called as one plastic. that is called as bags, boxes, toy, bottle. These are the made by the plastics. Same like metals, utensils, pens, photo frames, so many water vessels that are what utensils, that vessels, cooking vessels. That so many things are there. For that made by that. What is that? Metals. Same like glass, cutlery, bottle, etc. Aluminum with the cans, foils, utensils, tray, etc. DDT, one another on insecticides. This is called as an insecticides. I have written here also. This is what is the full form? Dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. You should remember the students. DDT full form what is that? It is one insecticides. And insecticides, where whenever that your plants or crops inside, if insecticide will come, that time where DDT we are applying to kill the insects. So this is one of the insecticides. And what is the full form of DDT? Dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. D for dichloro, second D for dichloro, diphenyl, and T for trichloroethane. So that is called as DDT. And it is also non-biodegradable substances. This one is called DDT, is called as what? Non-biodegradable substances. Okay. So now students, you will see that other things. What about the methods of managing that wastage? We will discuss in that next things. Okay. This is first we have discussed about that. What is that? Solid wastage. And solid wastage are generally classified into the two groups or two types. One is biodegradable wastage and another one is non-biodegradable wastage. Biodegradable wastage means that wastage which can be broken or can be broken into simpler forms, and that is called as a biodegradable substance. Or such biodegradable are called as what is that? Generally by the microorganisms or by the generally bacteria. They are decomposing all the solid types of all that waste things, and it mixing with the water in the soil. But which we cannot, which all that means all substances are not. That means which are not possible, means all substances, out of that all substances which are not possible to be biodegradable, that is called as a non-biodegradable substances. Okay, the substances are those waste which cannot be broken down by the decomposer. We cannot decompose. That is called as a non-biodegradable substances. These do not easily or to take that very long time. Within 1 day, 7 days, 8 days, it is not possible to break down. But it needs that take the long periods. Plastics, photo frames, and this all that are the examples of non-biodegradable substances. Okay, students, thank you all of you.